Good morning, everyone. Today already third day in the Thailand. We just wake up. Nighttime heavy rain. Yeah, I not expected rain, and I put backpack on the floor under the window. My backpack wet, all wet. This part all wet. That's why I put here to dry. Even here I cannot put laptop inside now. And here I have so I think it's leak here from in the window. Shaira, hi. Shaira, are you okay? You good sleep?
Hello.
Hello. Maybe not good. But now already good weather. Take a look, it's cloudy. And we're going to Terminal 21 now. Take breakfast. Okay, let's go, Shaira. Yeah, it's not good if leak water here. If even close window. I hope my laptop and my phone safety here. I hope. Huh? What you say? I hope, yes. Need to put Shaira, clean the room, make up the room, change, yes. Okay. Okay, makeup. Need makeup room. Okay. Let's go to eat. Oh, already fixed here. So faster. Also another side. They so faster fix. Pedestrian. So fast. What is, Shaira, in your plastic bag? Ah, jacket. Okay. I hold jacket. Jacket need. Because cold. We have aircon. Our 7-Eleven. Yes. Because every evening Shaira likes 7-Eleven. What you want to buy in 7-Eleven? Chocolate? Cookies, chocolate. Okay. Very good weather again, even nighttime rain, but weather very nice. Shaira said little bit humidity and she feel hot, but for me it's okay, for me better. Good. Again, Terminal 21, just only for it. Chinese guys. Oh, here, fresh, cold. How much dollar now? How much exchange rate? I don't know. $31.60. Okay, Shaira, you go alone. That joke. Shafin cannot go home. I like joke, but sometimes Shaira not understand I joke or not. I like joke, yes. Not always, of course. I know when I can joke, when I cannot joke. If Shaira bad mood, better not joke. It's not good for me. No, double, it's double. If 400, maybe it's 800. No, 800 maybe.
Because 190 last night, it's total price.
Wait, I will check. If 400 baht, Shaira, if 400 baht is 741 peso, Philippine peso. Oh, before I bought one wallet here. Still use. It's good. Leather original. Good. Shaira, maybe we also buy right now some cookies with chocolate for you. And yes, because before I always need to go to buy, and you choose what you want, okay? Toys. Okay, we need to go to San Francisco. San Francisco, Shaira. So maybe we go to eat first. You take picture after eat, Shaira. If you take picture, it means you're not hungry. I know. Shaira not hungry. Hungry, she go so faster to restaurant. And now if she take picture, it means it's good for me. Take picture, filming. I don't know about quality of video. I use only iPhone for filming. I not bring camera. Shaira, cookies. You choose what you want. Maybe we can take box, Shaira. Take a look, box. Here I have this one, 4 pieces. And this price, you choose. This chocolate also have.
What is that, 59?
No, you choose. You choose, check first. It's good. Up to you. If you want, you just only take like this, you see. Like this. And this. Okay, I teach you already how. I give to her 500 baht. You pay. 122 baht. 2 baht check you have. Have? Don't have coins? Okay. If don't have, no problem. Chinese restaurant. Sichuan. Вот. Паттайя. О, Shaira hungry. Now Shaira hungry. She already run. Because she want to already eat. Shaira, we ate already 200 baht yesterday. Not need maybe. First we need to find table. Available space for it. No, first straight. Okay, where? Okay, the same. Okay. Just wait me, Shaira, okay? Again, I will buy chicken and rice. I don't want to try another one. I don't know why, but I don't want to try. Always I choose this one, number 3. Son, 3. And pay here. Sauce also 30. And pay this one. Card. Put 4. You can see this. $45. Okay. Thank you. Also need to take spoon and fork and put inside. Okay. You also If you want coffee, also buy coffee, okay? Thai coffee. Again, noodles. Same. I'm also same. So you like this? That's why you order again. Okay. So it's Thai coffee.
Americano.
Huh?
Americano.
Ah, Americano. Okay. Let's drink coffee. Shira don't like coffee. Okay. Eat. What is this is for me. Oh, good. Shira choose for me. And this one. Oh, it's for Shira only this. Shira. Okay. Shira already worry about. No, don't worry. Don't worry now. I just drink coffee and little bit only. Shira want more iced coffee. Maybe you choose another one.
Thai milk.
No, up to you. So not enough for Shira. Okay, let's go.
This one better.
Up to you. What's better for you?
Better this one. Because if I drink
You want sit or go? Oleza from Carabao. Carabao, Philippines. Maybe Carabao also in Thailand, I don't know. I already want buy something. Did you try? Same drive, Shira.
Oh yes.
LTO stop you. What is this? Ah, chocolate, okay. I told you need to use jacket always because cold. You can sit inside. No, joke. Sorry. Okay.
Go build up.